Honestly, this is a pretty good rep. I highly recommend them if you want to grab this, skateboard in it. You'll definitely save 10 times the amount of money by buying this shoe. Hey guys, what is going on? It is your boy Walk Sauce. I'm back with another review. Today we're going to be going over the StrangeLove Nike Dunk Low. I'm super excited to get into this shoe. Let's go ahead and check out the details. I did buy this from Kicify. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So there it is, fresh out of the box. As you can see, quite the experience. Right off the bat, the box has a beautiful cutout of a heart with sort of a nice white design around it. On the inside, you get a peek at the grim but beautiful design of the box. You can see a peek at the box right there. It says Nike SB with a bunch of arteries and veins, and then it's just pink on the rest of the sleeve. And there is that beautiful sort of skull candy art. We got a black side here, which is where you'll open the box, and then we have Nike SB on that side, StrangeLove on this side. This is just a sticker we can peel off. That way it's back to normal. And then black on the other sides as well. Let's go ahead and open up this box here. All right. Pretty clean. Just a blue standard box. Sort of like the Tiffany box where it's really small. Anyways, let's go ahead and unbox this shoe. Peeling back the lid, we get a nice display of the StrangeLove collaboration on a poster card. Let's go ahead and set that aside. And then we get a collection of stickers as well. And then just a Nike pamphlets. The stickers are pretty neat, so there's a collection of them in there. And then we have a Valentine's thank you card from StrangeLove / Nike. StrangeLove Skateboards, California. Pretty cool. And then we have a receipt and a bill of sale from Nike. So quite a beautiful collection so far. There's a first look at the StrangeLove fresh out of the box, and my god, that glossy sort of velvet is absolutely beautiful. And I must say, this is a really good StrangeLove, guys. Got a little bit of pink paint. I will scrape that off. Absolutely no issue whatsoever. That Nike embroidery is looking nice. Let's go ahead and set this shoe aside. Real quickly, we do have that triple multicolored lace there, and then an extra white lace, and then we have that traditional red lace on the inside of the shoe there. And then we have a nice decal saying soulmates with a lace and a skateboard. But yeah, like I said, let's go ahead and set this shoe aside. We have a huge assortment of accessories. Let's look at the details of the other shoe. There's a quick glance of the outside of the box, how it should be. We have that nice skull candy face right inside the hearts perfectly. All right, guys, so there's Kicify's Nike SB StrangeLove collab, fresh out of the box. I must say that this shoe is absolutely beautiful. The collab itself is absolutely stunning, and then this replica is also stunning. Go ahead and look at the details for yourself. I'm just doing a slow spin around here. The materials are absolutely beautiful. We have a rough sort of pink nubuck on a pink velvet, and then we also have another style velvet as well. The only thing that I would say that stands out to me is that this face is a little low. Other than that, this shoe is super beautiful. If that's not going to bother you, I highly recommend this if you're going to skateboard in it. As you can see, the tongue is done a little differently. It says Nike Swoosh SB with a StrangeLove text under it. And then on the other shoe, we did have that skateboard with the lace. On this insole, we have that Nike Swoosh SB with a couple other decals on the inside there. The liner is a nice red padded liner, so it's super comfortable. The outsole is transparent pink, and you can see some glossy pink and red hearts, I believe. And then we have sort of a Valentine's red Nike Swoosh SB in the middle there. and then the midsole is white. And you can see we have some nice pink stitching on the midsole as well. Honestly, this is a pretty good rep. I highly recommend them if you want to grab this, skateboard in it. You'll definitely save 10 times the amount of money by buying this shoe. Go ahead and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Leave a like so then that more people can find this video. And of course, subscribe if you're new. Anyways, it's Walk Sauce. Peace.
Seven. Seven.